We start our chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And after we get this drop, the sharp drop and because of the news on Friday, now still we are within this correction. And if you refer to my last update, since the price was exactly within here, we discussed about the how we can look for trade, and I mentioned about the divergence, and I mentioned is there is a possibility still we can expect the price to drop. This is what we get because of the divergence, and we mentioned whoever get the trade for buy from here, how they should book some profit. Okay. Anyway, still we are within this correction, and the question is whether the price can reverse from here or we get the one more drop before we look for the reversal. Okay, this is the key point because if anyone wants to look for buy, especially for those they're using the future or margin account, they should be quite careful. And if we move to daily chart, because we were within this uptrend, there is a breakout, and even the price dropped to 14. We had this one for quite a long time ago. And now the question is whether this is the start of the uptrend or not. Okay. Because as I mentioned, the price can consolidate or we get the correction within this zone for quite a long time. It can turn to a deeper correction as long as the price consolidate here for longer time. The possibility for the next drop is more. Okay. And if the price start, we see the drop with breakout of this low, we can expect the price drop to 16 following by 14 cent. Okay, how deep this one can go. Then, for sure, if we get the next drop, any reversal, it can give us better confirmation and better opportunity to look for buy. And as I mentioned, if we get the drop, how deep it can go. Okay, but for me, I will not wait for that. For the next drop before I look for buy. That's mean if I get any opportunity for buy with and this one I will take it, but I start to manage it if it doesn't move in my direction. Okay, because we can this kind of the core we have to see the breakout of this correction, all right, either at the top or a low before we look for the next move. And how about if the price, we see the continuation as a correction, we get the sharp reversal, and then we are out of this correction. All right, that's why for me, any opportunity for buy I will take it, but I start to manage it, I will monitor it. But the if we should be aware, whoever wants to look for buy, we can expect one more drop, and we can expect the price drop to 16 blowing by 14 before we get the reversal. And if this one happen is best because it can give us better confirmation and better opportunity to look for buy. Then if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, we have been looking for buy from here and here. This is what we get. Then from here, we get one move up, divergence. We discuss about the next drop. And right now I'm looking at this correction. As long as the price haven't tagged the previous or break the previous low, any opportunity for buy from here within this range, I'm interested. But if I get the trade and within the first or second hours I see there is no continuation and start to consolidate, I will take out the trade. That's mean every time I take the trade, if I see it's not moving, I will take out. I will look for the next trade setup. Because as I mentioned, we can expect the price reverse as a corrective. Suddenly by sharp move, we see the breakout of this one. But at the same times, we can expect the next drop. Okay, that means if we get the next drop reversal, this is the best better confirmation. But for me, I will not wait for that possibility. Okay, that's why I mentioned whoever get the trade for buy within this correction, they can take it, but they should know how to manage if it doesn't move. All right, they should know how to take with the trade if it doesn't move, because if it start to drop, we can expect the price drop to 14. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.